I'm starting to cleanse tomorrow. Technically, I'm starting to cleanse in like 4 hours, and I'm trying to finish this bottle of wine. Don't mind me. But hey loves, my name is Wynne Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? As you can see from the title, I'm doing another V-part wig tutorial, and today's video is sponsored by Alipearl hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to style it today. My hair is already braided. Basically, I just have 3 parts pre-sectioned out where I can switch my part from my V parts as I want, and then everything else is braided and tucked away in the back just so I can get really nice installs. I've been really feeling the V parts lately, and I wanted a braiding pattern that I didn't have to continuously take out, and I didn't want to just leave my hair balled up under my wigs for weeks. So this braiding pattern has been my fave as of right now. I also left a bit of edges out because y'all know when the wind blow, baby, I don't need my business in the streets. Do not need my business in the streets. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, honey, you see how thick and luscious this wig is? I want to do a side part and add in some layers. This is how the part comes. As you can see, it's really sturdy, and it comes attached in the front using a bit of elastic, but you cut that off before you install it. 2 clips on either side of the part, 1 clip right behind the part, combs on either side, and combs in the back with adjustable straps. It's made really well, and the cap is pretty stretchy, so I feel like it'll fit most people's head. So for this wig, I don't know why I'm feeling like the side part vibe, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Since my hair isn't straight, it's just blown out. Well, it's just kind of air dried. It wasn't really even like blown out. It blends in really well with my natural hair. Like, I almost don't want to put anything, like put any heat on it, because it blends in so good. It's cute. Okay, wait, because like, am I obsessed? Let me back up. Let me get into it. Cause am I obsessed as is? What is happening right now? I gotta give y'all something. I wonder if I could like, are y'all seeing what I'm seeing right now? Okay, so I added a little bit of layers in the top, nothing crazy, and then just trim the ends. And now I'm gonna curl the hair. I'm using my 1-inch Babyliss Pro irons to just pop some like loose curls in the hair. I'm not going for super tight curls. I just want to add some body to it and a little bit of style. Okay, and now that we got everything curled, I'm gonna just brush through it. All right, so this is the finished look. The curls look amazing. And I love this one curl going to the front. It really gives it like a vintagey, pin-uppy vibe. It looks really, really natural. The hair blends in with my hair perfectly. I literally cannot tell when my hair starts and stops. And it's holding the curl really, really well. I've brushed through them at least 4 or 5 times and none of the curls are falling. So girl, that's a good sign. So this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. All of the links to the hair will be down below in the description bar. Thank you again to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring today's video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you.